prophecy remains. Though the country is burning, though the country is on fire, though the country is on a burning, the prophecy doesn't change. Prophecy remains. Prophecy is certain. Prophecy does not change. February next year, prepare for change. February next year, prepare for change. Prepare for change. Prepare for celebration. February next year, prepare for celebration. I tell you guys, I tell you citizens, do not be dismayed, do not be discomforted, do not be discouraged, but have faith. For the Lord will bring us to glory, for the Lord will bring us victory, for the Lord will give us strength. God will strengthen us again. Those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up as eagles. They shall run and they shall not faint. They shall walk. I messed up that verse, but you guys, you know what I'm talking about. Make sure that you prepare for celebrations next year in February. Change is coming. Change has come, and the prophecy shall be fulfilled. The prophecy shall come true. The prophecy shall be fulfilled, and I'm sure the prophecy is about to be fulfilled. Guys, wait for change. Wait for change. Make sure that you subscribe, like, and share this video with others. Encourage other citizens. Encourage other Zimbabweans. Encourage other patiently waiting citizens that are sure about change, that are sure that things are going to happen, that are sure that things are going to come to pass. Prepare for change, my people. The change has come. Happiness has come. Honey has come. Uchi wauya. Uchi wauya. So prepare for change. I love you, my people. Make sure that you support each other. You help each and every Zimbabwean that is close to you, who's looking for a job, who's looking for an opportunity. Help each other for now, for this 2 months left, 1 month and a half. You help each other for now, but you have to make sure, you have to know that we are almost there. We are almost there. It's just a matter of time before we get to the promised land. Before we get to the promised land, the land of milk and honey. It's just a matter of time before we reach our destination. Time to hold on. I know we will make it. I know we will make it. I know it's just a matter of time before we get there. It's just a matter of time before we get to the destination. The prophecy shall be fulfilled. Make sure that you continue to strengthen each other in these times. As the devil is trying by all means to block us from our road, to block us from reaching our destination, as the devil is trying by all means to block our destination, to block our victory, to block our rights, you make sure that you pray. Keep your eyes on the Lord. Those that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. We shall renew our strength. We shall get that victory. We shall get that victory, and I'm sure our God will deliver. Make sure that you share this video with others. Encourage each other. Help each other.